Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to find recently installed apps on Android. Let's get straight into it. If you've just installed an app but can't find it, there's a few places you can check to locate it quickly. The fastest way to find an installed app is usually through the app drawer. Now you'll see I'm already on my home screen. To access the app drawer, I'm going to swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Now this can be a little tricky if you've not tried it before. You kind of need to place your finger just above the bottom of the phone and swipe up in one smooth action. If you're looking for a specific app, tap the search box and enter the app name. In this example, I'll search for eBay. When the app you're looking for appears in the results, you can tap on it once to open it. If you'd like easier access to the app in future, you can tap and hold the app icon. You can then drag it onto your home screen and place it wherever you like. Another place you can check is the Google Play Store. You'll see the Play Store app is shown on my home screen. If you can't find the Play Store app, you can tap the Google search bar and search for Play Store to locate it. Once you've found it, open the Play Store. Now I'll return to the home screen and I'll tap on the Play Store to open it. The next thing I want to do is tap my profile picture in the top right-hand corner. On the page that's opened, a number of options are displayed, but I'm interested in Manage Apps and Device. I'll then tap on the Manage option, and from here you'll see a list of apps associated with your device. You can tap the sorting option to change how apps are displayed. For example, you can sort apps alphabetically and search through the list to find a particular app. One final thing you can do is check the app section in your Settings app. If I return to my home screen, I'll tap on the Settings app to open it. From the options that are then displayed, I'll tap on the Apps option. You'll see an option on this page that shows the total number of apps installed on your device. Let's tap on this option to view the full list of installed apps. If you're looking for a specific app, tap the search icon in the top right-hand corner. You can then enter the app name and select it from the results. Now this opens the app info page, not the app itself. But from here you can manage the app, you can uninstall it, or access any additional settings. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free to see more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.